Yesterday, my friend got into an accident. He told me that it was completely the other driver's fault. However, the other driver kept screaming and saying that it was my friend's fault. After arguing with the other driver, my friend checked his dash camera and found out that the accident wasn't recorded. Due to the car collision, the dashcam lost its connection with the car, so it became disconnected from the power source and turned off without saving the recording. Since the other driver didn't have a dashcam installed in his car, it became impossible to prove that it was not my friend's fault, so he had to go through a lot of complications and pay out a lot of money. This situation could have been 100% avoided by using a dashcam with a supercapacitor. The reason is that contrary to traditional dashcams, supercapacitor dashcams are safer, more reliable, more durable, and can operate at extremely higher and low temperatures. The reason why supercapacitor dashcams are more reliable is that supercapacitor in a dashcam serves as a backup power source that turns on when the dashcam is disconnected from the main power. The supercapacitor has a charging speed which is 5 to 10 times faster than the charging speed of a battery of the same size. So when a car crash happens and the dashcam is disconnected from the car, the supercapacitor can back up the power for a few minutes so that the data can be successfully saved and stored. In the absence of a supercapacitor, there is a probability that the dashcam won't be able to save the data when being disconnected from the main power source. This is why using supercapacitor dashcams is critical for capturing accidents and providing necessary proof. If you want to avoid the unnecessary losses caused by accidents, a supercapacitor dashcam is the most reliable and safe way to do so.